Trump official warns California against arresting federal agents. This article is by John Yoon and read by an automated voice. Deputy Attorney General Todd Blanche on Thursday threatened to prosecute California officials who support arresting federal immigration agents, sharpening the standoff between the Trump administration and local leaders. Mr. Blanche conveyed the warning in a letter a day after several officials in San Francisco, including Representative Nancy Pelosi, the former speaker, and Brooke Jenkins, the city's district attorney, said that they might seek to arrest federal agents who break California law during immigration raids. The suggestion, Ms. Jenkins said, came from seeing agents confronting people in Los Angeles and Chicago. While she did not envision police officers handcuffing federal agents on city streets, she said she would use video footage to identify agents using excessive force and ask a judge for arrest warrants. Their idea would be to prosecute immigration agents who overstep their authority, for example, by using excessive force, state officials said. But the ability of states to arrest federal officers is without much legal precedent. Mr. Blanche said in the letter that arresting federal agents performing their duties would violate federal laws against impeding enforcement operations. He posted the letter on social media, addressing it to Governor Newsom of California and the California Attorney General, Rob Bonta, as well as Ms. Pelosi and Ms. Jenkins. He also said that the Constitution's Supremacy Clause prevents federal officers from being held on a state criminal charge if the alleged crime occurred while the officer was performing federal duties. The Department of Justice will investigate and prosecute any state or local official who violates these federal statutes, he wrote, or directs or conspires with others to violate them. He concluded that federal agents and officers will continue to enforce federal law and will not be deterred by the threat of arrest by California authorities. The Trump administration had said on Wednesday that it was sending U.S. Customs and Border Protection agents to Alameda, California, to prepare for an operation in the San Francisco Bay Area. President Trump on Thursday called off the crackdown in the city, though it was unclear what that meant for the rest of the Bay Area. Mr. Trump has sent federal agents and troops to other cities, including Chicago, Los Angeles, Memphis, Portland, Oregon, and Washington, D.C., saying the deployments will curb crime and illegal immigration. Critics have said that he is using them to punish Democratic-led cities and spread fear in immigrant communities.
With that being said, ladies and gentlemen, this right here of what he is doing and what the Justice Department is doing, ladies and gentlemen, is completely bullshit, illegal, and bullcrap. Federal agents are not above the law. Neither is Todd Blanche, neither is Trump, neither is Bondi, neither is Leavitt. None of these terrorists are above the law. Coming from Pam's mouth. Her words, not mine. If nobody is above the law, then why the hell does your piece of shit boss have this bullshit, trumped up, non-existent presidential immunity? Pam, if no one is above the law, then do your fucking job and help the American people and prosecute this piece of shit so-called boss of yours that is illegally sitting in the White House currently with 34 felony counts. Ladies and gentlemen, that is going to do it for this legal breaking reporting video analysis update. This goes along with the letter I reported on earlier If you did enjoy this reporting, please make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe, and enjoy. And follow along for more legal breaking news that you need to know about. More to come soon.